Hello, welcome to the Rahan Khan Academy. Today I am going to teach you something about the periodic table. Now you can see there are some metals and there are some non-metals. Now if you can see here, these all are metals. These all are metals. These all are metals. Except in the left side, you can see this is a barrier or border, you can say. These are the non-metals. And all of them are metals. Now we have to know some properties of metals and non-metals. Metals, remember always metals form positive ion. How metals form positive ion? By losing electron, and non-metals form negative ion by gaining electrons from metals. Now we can see there are some vertical columns. You can clearly see there are some vertical columns. In fact, there are 8 vertical columns. These are called group. These all vertical columns are called group. Now you can clearly see there are some horizontal rows. These horizontal rows are called period. Now there are 8 groups or vertical columns. There are 8 groups or vertical columns, and there are 7 periods or horizontal rows. Now you have to know the name of the group. Now group 1 is called alkaline earth metals. Simply group 1 is called alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals. And group 2, you can clearly see this is group 2. Group 2 is called alkali metals. Now we know that this is group 3 and this is group 2, but between group 2 and group 3 there are some metals as well, or there are some elements as well. These are called transition metal. Transition metal. Now you don't need to remember group 3, the name of the group 3, 4, 6, but you have to know group 7, name of group 7, which is noble gas. Oops. Name of the group 7 is called halogen. Halogen. Name of the group 8 or group 0 is called noble gas. Now, why group 1 is called alkaline earth metals? When group 1 react with water, they form alkali. That is why group 1 and group 2 is called alkaline earth metals. So why group 1 is called alkaline earth metals? Because when group 1 react with water, they form alkaline earth metals, or they actually form alkaline solution. That is why group the name of group 1 is called alkaline earth metals, and group 2 same as well. Now group 7, why it is called halogen? Group 7 is called halogen. Halogen means salt produced. Group 7 actually, group 7 react with acid to form salt. That is why group 7 is called halogen, and group 8 is called noble gas. Now we should know that group 8 noble gas is actually unreactive. That means they don't combine or react with any other elements. So group 8 is unreactive, or noble gas is unreactive. Now you know already name of group 1, group 2, group between group 2 and group 3, group 7 and group 8. Now we have to know charges. Group 1 have some charge, group 2 have some charge. Now group 1 is in group 1 have +1 charge. Why? Because we know group 1, 2 both are metals, and metals form positive ions by losing electrons. Group 1 have charge +1 because group 1 lose 1 electron. Group 2 lose 2 electrons. That is why group 2 have +2 charge. Group 3 lose 3 electrons. That is why group 3 have +3 charge. Now we know nonmetals form negative charge. Nonmetals form negative charge. Why? Why nonmetals have negative charge? Because nonmetals gain electrons from metals to form negative charge. So you can see here some nonmetals, they actually like to gain electron from metals. That is why they have negative charge. They gain electron from metals and they have negative charge. So you can clearly see group 7 can gain 1 electron from metal. That is why group 7 have -1 charge. Group 6 have -2 charge because group 6 gain 2 electrons from metals, and group 5 can gain 3 electrons from metals. For example, nitrogen have charge -3. Then phosphorus have charge -3. Oxygen have charge -2. Why? Because oxygen can gain 2 electrons. Okay, this is basic about the periodic table. If you like my video, please share with your classmate. Thank you.